Points to be covered: reproduction and modern technology, in vitro fertilization, IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, semen bank, twins, reproductive health. Reproduction and modern technology. Many couples cannot have children due to various reasons, and we'll see these various reasons below. In the case of women's, irregularity in menstrual cycle, difficulty in oocyte production, obstacle in ovidum, difficulty in implantation in uterus. Many other reasons are responsible for this. Absence of sperms in semen, slow movement of sperm. Anomalies means something that is different from what is normal in the sperm are the reasons in the case of males. But now, with the help of advanced medical techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm banks, the childless couples can have a child. In vitro fertilization, IVF, with the help of figure we'll see. Here the fertilization is brought about in test tube. You can see the egg is here and the sperm is here. It is fertilized here. In this technique, the fertilization is brought about in test tube. An embryo is formed, is implanted in the uterus of woman at appropriate time. IVF technique is used for having the child in case of those childless couple who have problems like less sperm count, obstacle in oviduct, etc. Surrogacy, with the help of figure we'll see here. Here you can see the woman having problem in implantation in uterus and she's taking the help of the other woman. Some women having problems in implantation of embryo in uterus. Such women can take help of the modern remedial technique called as surrogacy. In this technique, oocyte is collected from the ovaries of the woman having problem in implantation in uterus. That oocyte is fertilized in the test tube with the help of sperm collected from her husband. The embryo formed from such fertilization is implanted in the uterus of some other woman having normal uterus. So here she is the other woman who is having a normal uterus here. Such woman in whose uterus the embryo is implanted is called as surrogate mother. Sperm bank or semen bank. Here with the help of figure we'll see the sperm banking where the sperm is stored. There are various problems in sperm production in case of many men. So as to have the children in case of such couples, a new concept of sperm bank has been introduced. This concept is similar to blood bank. Semen ejaculated by desired men is collected after their thorough physical and medical checkup and stored in the sperm bank. As per the wish of the needful couple, the oocyte of the woman of a concerned couple is fertilized by IVF technique using the semen from sperm bank. Resultant embryo is implanted in the uterus of same woman. Name of the semen donor is strictly kept secret as per the law. Twins. Two embryos develop simultaneously in the same uterus and thus two offspring are delivered simultaneously. Such offsprings are called as twins. Many couples have twins. There are two types of twins as monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Monozygotic twins are formed from a single embryo. During the early period of embryonic development, within the 8 days of the zygote formation, the cell of that embryo divides into two groups. Monozygotic twins, with the help of figure we'll see. Here the twins are exactly similar to each other. Those two groups develop as two separate embryos and thus monozygotic twins are formed. Such twins are generally exactly similar to each other. Due to this, such twins are exactly similar in their appearance and their gender is also same. That is, both will be either boys or girls. In the case of monozygotic, if the embryonic cells are divided into two groups 8 days after the zygote formation, there is a high possibility of formation of conjoined twins, that is Siamese twins. Such twins are born with some parts of the body joined to each other and some organs are common in such twins. Dizygotic twins, with the help of figure we'll see. Here we will see the twins are here and they are genetically different and with a different gender. Two oocytes are released from the ovaries of women and both the oocytes are fertilized by two separate sperm and thus zygote are formed. Two embryos are formed from those two zygotes, and both of those embryos are separately implanted in the uterus, and thus zygotic twins are delivered after complete development. Such twins are genetically different and may be of different by gender. Reproductive health. With the help of figure, we'll see assessment questions on the male gland, then physical examination of male gland, contraception, sexually transmitted infection, HIV/AIDS, then disorder of male reproductive system, male cancer, fertility and infertility, supporting prenatal and postnatal care, supporting safe abortion care, sexual and gender bias violence support, information and counseling. A person's state of being physical, mental and social strongness is called as health. In our country, there seems to be lack of awareness regarding reproductive health due to various reasons like social customs, tradition, shyness, etc. Especially, there seems to be indifference towards the reproductive health of women. Occurrence of menstrual cycle is related with reproductive and overall health of women. Nowadays, women are working at par with men. Due to this, they have to stay outdoor for whole day. Bleeding occurs during menstrual cycle. Due to this, private organ genital needs to be maintained clean from time to time. Otherwise, problem regarding reproductive health may arise. Some problems regarding reproductive health may arise in men too. It is essential to maintain cleanliness of their genitals. Among the various sexual diseases, syphilis and gonorrhea occurs on the large scale. Both these diseases are caused by bacteria. Occurrence of chancre patches on various parts of body including genital, rash, fever, inflammation of joints, alopecia, etc. are the symptoms of syphilis. Painful burning sensation during urination, oozing of pus through penis and vagina, inflammation of urinary tract, anus, throat, eyes, etc. are the symptoms of gonorrhea. Population explosion. With the help of figure, we'll see year 1901 till 2011, we'll see the population has been increasing here. Excessive growth of population within short duration is called as population explosion. You have realized from the table given besides about the fast population growth of India. We have faced various problems like unemployment, decreasing per capita income, increasing loan, stress on natural resources, etc. There is only one solution for such problem. It is population control. Family planning is essential for this.